have a new baby? I'm supposed to get ring light, but I saw this on. I don't give a person to please stand. See who we have here. Fine girl. See as you are shining. Who found that make I catch your face, Joe? You look so pretty.
Thank you, Wait. What?
Who we have here? Oh. Hey, hi Jess. Hello. Long time. How many months?
Don't do.
How many months ago did you see?
Like,
see how she's looking, body banging. Hot mama. Hot mama. Yeah, it's related with this your banging body. Babe, how far now?
I'm fine, no. What is skinny? Skinny.
Oh, baby, your skin is shiny.
Now, did this sit down? They use, what do you call this thing? Milk, no, goat milk to sharp.
Okay. But you know they use them for face bath.
I use it for my face.
You don't get face wash.
I don't get face wash.
Buy face wash with skin.
I didn't get everything that buy.
I don't have no sort of food.
I got a face wash, so I just use that one to wash my face. Then I use that skincare stuff they gave to me. I think I'm so bad. Now you use the skincare pro max. See the skincare pro max. People are always talking about. This is the skincare pro max. All the skincare I'll be doing. Nice shit. So I'm going to be leaving YouTube. Yeah, we're going to do collaboration. So you guys, in case you want skincare. This is the best thing we got out there.
Babe, don't worry. The thing is, we not say traffic stick. They don't say one brand, we just say different face wash.
We will send you different
So
stuff.
I still send different face wash. So we send them one still on this one. You know, so you can't really say, I'll get this. You don't know what to get.
But it can be and because you know that. Oh. Sure, this is your query. I get the honors.
Hi guys, so I'm going for CA meeting in my two kids' school. Yeah, they said it's by 10 o'clock and this is like 10:30. Like I'm already late. I didn't even remember it was by 10 o'clock. I tried to shoot content before leaving, but my phone was doing no space, so I couldn't film anything. I just did some cooking, then took food to baby Candy's school, because I didn't carry her lunch when I went to drop her off in school. So yeah, I would have used our new camera to film, but I'm still getting familiar with how the whole thing functions or how the whole thing works. And the memory card I bought is still telling me that the speed is low. So everything I need to cook the soup is ready. I just need to start cooking the soup and the mine is ready as well. So, yeah, this will take up to 10 minutes or 20 minutes, 15 minutes maximum to finish. I'm yet to wash my dry fish so I could put the rest in my bag. Oh yeah.